Alright, y'all, so we at the mall. We about to go to the mall. Hey. Hey. Come on, y'all. Where y'all at? Hey, we got nephew and grandson back there. Birds in the front. Oh, it's not a big mall, but it's what we got. It's a little small mall, but we going, y'all. Today is a pretty day. Today is Friday. And I was off work today, y'all, so my daughter came to see me. She stayed 3 hours away. We both stay in North Carolina, but she stayed 3 hours away. And she came to see me today, so I'll see what I got. I got my little pet steppers on. I like these shoes. Everybody talk about them, but I like them. They are comfortable. I got some jeans on, denim jeans, and I got a denim coat on. I got my little necklace I got from TikTok. And I got my little bracelet on that I got. It's a set first. Alright, y'all, so we just got in the mall. New Bern Mall is kind of small. It's very small. But we do got one. This is when you first walk in. It's fairly nice in here. It's Maurice's. We got Zales. I think we got TJ Maxx. We got. I don't think it's that down. Let's go this way. Come on. I think TJ Maxx down there. Where the ATM? I don't know. You gotta look for it. Don't cut up. Like Jane said, don't show off. Don't show off, Chief. Don't show off. Come on, Chief. Don't show off now. He going in and look for where it's ATM at. I don't know no damn ATM at. But yeah, y'all. What she said, TJ? How she doing? TJ said, "Why you got to walk? Hold that bag like that. Hold it normal." I'm swinging it. That's my daughter. Why you got to hold that bag? The grandkids showing off, running around. I don't play that mess. I don't play that. Act like you got some home training. Where's that? I saw him. Buffalo Wild Wings is right here. I thought. Right here when we first came in. So y'all needed some work shoes. I needed some black work shoes. So I seen these. They on sale for $39.99. So they checking to see if they got my size. And if they got my size, I'm gonna get them. They Puma. I love Puma. I always have. I like Puma. So she just checking to see do they have the checking to see if they got my size. Hey guys, we're in Bath and Body Works. Got their little new collection. Okay. The new one.
Mom, could you walk with me so I can get a present?
I'm going to eat. I'm going to do this first.
I'm hungry.
No. Oh, definitely. You get my card. Hey, baby. You get your candle?
You know, I love candy.
Up a little bit. Okay, good. Y'all, this my little knucklehead grandbaby. He just want to take a video of it.
It's your birthday.
Go shy. Ain't cute, y'all. 5 years old. Look how thick and muscular he is. Drop down, give me 50.
50?
Well, 10.
Oh,
Come on, drop down. Come on, do it for grandma. Cotton, there you go. Yeah. Okay. I know that the ground is a little dirty down there. That's all right.
You didn't roll that in with
You ain't want to
I ain't cool with you, girl. Damn. I ain't got him either. I'm in a video myself. Damn, I got to. We at Applebee's, y'all. This girl crazy. She smoked too much marijuana. All of them smoke too much.
Marijuana. Goddamn.
All of them smoke marijuana.
I'm going to sleep.
I'm in love with Mary Jane. It's my favorite thing.
I saw him come sit over here.
Y'all, so we're at Applebee's just sitting here waiting for somebody to come and see us. We have a party of what, 3, 4, 5. We have a party of 6 people. So we're just waiting to be seated. I'm sorry, we got a couple of people in here. Not too bad, but we got a couple of people. We got a couple people in here.
Where you gonna get it?
Hey y'all, so we got seated already.
Sweet tea, lemonade.
Took my pocketbook off.
You want to get over the other side of the mountain? Or you want to get on this side?
Somebody breaking something back there.
Side.
Right here in front of me, so I can keep
I got a long. Oh, what I got? Huh?
Oh, yeah.
I thought you said what I ordered.
I can't.
Yeah, I got a
This
yeah.
too tight. This too
Oh, yeah,
tight.
they good.
This is too
It's a
tight.
big bowl.
This is too
They
tight.
got whiskey.
You got what?
Whiskey.
Oh shit! I need a Tylenol. Already, he got it yet.
Irish whiskey.
This mine.
Wow,
Hey, TJ, this mine.
I
It's for
what you got in here? That's what I got alcohol.
He got this.
So we
Yeah, that's
seated
what-
already.
That birthday we came
Well,
with.
I want
She had both of them.
What's that?
Yeah, she had both.
Both of them, the blue one and the yellow. Let me see them. Let me see what it got in it. I ain't look too bad.
One got Grey Goose, the other one got whiskey.
I should have got the one that got Grey Goose.
You can get it next time. Drink that.
one like this.
Alright, drink that.
I got me a
Drink
drink,
that
y'all.
and you
I
get
got
it
this
next time.
one.
That's what we do.
I don't want this. I want that like this.
It's the golden Grey Goose.
Yeah, you ain't
I
get
haven't had a drink in a long time.
We'll think about it. We'll tell us.
And they got tipsy left.
But he got it.
Why you in front of me?
Demaya. Be nice.
Drink that later.
You ain't getting no tea.
Where you going? That's just throwing the hell.
I'm just sitting here waiting for my drink.
Yeah, you talking to?
I'm making a video.
Yeah, I'm about to say, what the fuck you talking
I might make a video too.
to? No, you not. Give my phone.
Where she
Give me
go?
your phone. Give me your
I
phone.
make a video.
You got one there?
Alright, y'all. I got me a tipsy leprechaun. I'm not gonna. Of course, I'm not gonna drink all this. I'm gonna drink a little bit of it. Because, it's a big drink. Yeah. This is a big drink.
It's actually.
Let's see how it tastes.
You'll not miss it.
Okay. Not
He
bad.
said I'm missing like that.
Easy going down.
Grandma,
Hmm.
he was looking at that girl booty.
Be quiet.
How you supposed to do that?
I'm still watching you.
What's this?
So, we should.
Oh, so.
I got to follow my
Yeah, you got so.
Why they put salt in there? To enhance the thing. I ain't never been a mixed drink drinker. I take it to the head. Tangeray. I used to buy me a bottle of Tangeray every Friday. Put it under that. I used to buy it on Friday when I got paid and take a drink every night when I got home. Yeah.
I watched that. I come to the beach. Oh, my God.
It looks very good. The fries are good. No, I'm just telling them I got them.
Sit down there for 30 minutes. Give me some of that cold smoke.
Stay.
I'm cold.
The drink is coming. Do y'all need anything else for right now?
Yeah.
Some cold sour cream.
Yeah, some sour cream.
I'm
Yes.
sour cream too.
You want sour
He
cream?
don't
Need A1 sauce.
A1. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
2 inches. 2 inches.
You
need one.
You ain't ate the pizza.
That's it. 2 inches.
Spinach dip. Okay. I got spinach dip and some chips. My daughter got steak. My son got greens. TJ, what you got down there?
Don't do that. You get me in.
TJ, what you got down there?
Food.
What is it?
Don't post me, mine told you.
I got what I got?
Pizza.
I got bourbon.
I got real.
Bet that steak.
Man.
Okay. No, we eating good, y'all. We eating pretty good. Baby boy got mozzarella stick.
I'm full, Mom. Tell them to give me a plate.
Think big, bitch. Okay. That's right. Tell your mama, baby. They messing with you.
Which one is that?
I don't know. Yeah, we at the playground. I at the playground for a minute with my grandbaby.
Oh, his house right in the front.
Mhm.
Probably his house in the front. Let's do it again. Courtney.
Oh, go ahead. Yeah, look at my baby do the monkey boss. I think that's what you call him. Go ahead. 5 years old. That's all right. Try again. Don't never be a quitter. Always keep trying. I am. I thought when I make the video. You go ahead. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Go with my foot.
Be careful.
My foot clapped. My foot clapped.
Take your time. 1. What's wrong with your foot?
Oh, make it wiggling.
Huh?
I'm going that. You know how to do what?
Try again.
What going?
We gotta try again. Alright, ready? Alright. You ready? Alright, go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Come on. You did good a while ago.
do it this way. Tell my mama to come over here.
Your mama is asleep, honey. She resting.
Which one?
She is resting.
Bobby.